let's twist again. Like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again.
Today I promise you, as your wife,
do you remember when things were really humming? Come on, let's twist again. Twist the time is here. We are round and round and up and down we go again. Oh, baby, make me know you love me so. Then come on, twist again. Like we did last summer. Girl, let's twist again. Like we did last year. Come on, let's twist again. Twist the time is here.
Baby bear, I love you. We have walked through storms, faced fires, and yet through it all, my heart has never longed for anyone else. In every trial, every tear, every triumph, it was you, and it will always be you. I'm so in love with you. And it scares me, because I can't imagine a world where you're not by my side.
Sono triste tra la gente che mi sta passando accanto. Alla nostalgia di rivedere te è forte più del pianto. Questo sole accende sul mio volto un segno di speranza.
I don't want to say poopy, but hi poopy. So everybody that knows me knows that my dresses are black, blacker, or blackest. And there you were flaunting a yellow shirt on our first date. All I could think of at that moment was, who wears a bright yellow shirt on first date? Seriously. But I gathered my courage and I sat down to all that light that you brought into my life. And I'm so glad that I did, because that was the best date I've ever had in my life.
Sta piovendo, ma resto ad aspettare. Non mi importa cosa il mondo può pensare, io non me ne voglio andare. Io mi guardo dentro e mi domando, ma non sento niente. Sono solo un resto di speranza, perduta tra la gente. Amore già tardi, e non resisto. Se tu non arrivi, non esisto, non esisto, non esisto. Luci, macchine, vetrine,
I will
strade,
always
tutto
hold you
quanto
closer when time gets dark.
confonde nella mente.
As you're confident in sickness and sorrow,
La mia
I will be
ombra
your
si è
healer and
stancata
cloud,
di seguirmi. Il giorno
your
muore
cheerleader. I will be your
lentamente.
compass when it gets chaotic.
Non mi resta che tornare a casa mia.
As your partner in crime,
alla mia
I
triste
promise you I'll be a
vita.
better woman each day, because you deserve
Questa
the best
vita
of
che
the best.
volevo dare a te,
And I want to thank you for always
l'hai
loving
spicciolata
me
tra le dita.
and showing me a kind of love that I never knew existed in this world.
Amore,
I love you,
perdono,
and we're finally
ma non
here.
resisto. Adesso
I vow to always fight for us
non esisto, non
and to
esisto,
make sure you never go a day without feeling the depth of my love. And when it's time for us to part from this world, I promise to find you in every lifetime. I choose you not just for who you are today, but for all you will become. And above all, I promise to trust in the love we've built, to honour the promises we make here today, and to love you for all of the days of my life. I love you. thank you for choosing me, for giving me the honour of loving you forever. We made it.
It's by no accident that we're here today, as each of us represents someone important in the individual and the collective lives of Andrew and Rinita. You have come together this day to strengthen your love and to give new meaning to your relationship in the presence of your family and your friends. Do you, Andrew, take Rinita to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Rinita, take Andrew to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
This ring, as our eternal symbol of love and commitment, may you both be blessed with a lifetime of happiness and a home filled with love and peace. I now pronounce you man and wife.
You all, on behalf of my new wife and I, for coming. It really means a lot to both of us that all of you have come. We all know each other from different ways, from different walks of life. And it really does mean a lot to us. So I'd like to pass you over to my wife.
Okay, party time, everybody! E per questo bambina tu mi piaci e dico baciami così.
We don't give up. We forgive. We love. And we support each other unconditionally. So ladies and gentlemen, let's raise our glasses and toast to the happy couple. Here's to Rinita and Andrew. May your life together be filled with happiness, prosperity, good health, and beautiful babies. 3, 2, 1.
When we catch up, the only thing they talk about, it was about you, Ronita. Ronita this, Ronita that. At one point, I was wondering if I was still the best man or not. So, just all his emotional support only. So I know that he misses you a lot, actually. But seriously, obviously, he's really, really mad in love with you. You are the perfect for each other, actually.
Baciami così, il tuo bacio è come un rock che ti morde col suo sweet. Sai fatti fa l'effetto di uno shock e perciò canto così. Oh 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 oh. Il tuo bacio è come un rock.